Hi folks, David Waring here again with InformedTrades.com and today's lesson of the day. In our last lesson we finished up our series on big picture fundamentals with a look at the Conference Board's index of leading economic indicators. In today's lesson we're going to start a new series which is meant to tie everything together that we've learned up to this point, starting with a look at the different styles of trading. So let's get started.
While there are many different styles of trading, most if not all styles can be categorized into one of three broad categories, which are day trading, swing trading, and trend trading. According to data on the number of searches for each of the above categories in Google, day trading is by far the most popular type of trading. So we're going to start by analyzing the advantages and disadvantages of this type of trading. The definition of a day trader is a trader who typically completes both the purchase and the sale of a financial instrument within a single trading day. One of the biggest advantages that I think most traders would cite about day trading is that since the trade is closed out before the end of the trading day, you do not have any overnight exposure. This is an especially important point in the stock and futures markets where it's difficult or in some cases not possible to close a position after normal trading hours. As many of you already know, the difference between the close of the previous day and the open of the next day can be large if a major event happens outside of normal trading hours. This puts non-day traders who hold positions overnight into a somewhat risky position where they could be forced to take a much larger loss than they otherwise would have. So the first big advantage here is that day traders are not exposed to that overnight exposure that longer-term traders are. The second big advantage here that I think many traders would cite is that good day traders are more nimble as they move in and out of the markets quickly, seeking trades with a high success rate and cutting their losses quickly. This allows them to take advantage of many more opportunities that are available in general than longer-term traders. The biggest disadvantage that I think most traders would cite about day trading is the greater transaction costs involved. Very simply, because a day trader trades more, they generate more commissions and pay the spread a greater number of times. As their transaction costs are higher, they must generate greater profits than strategies which do not generate as much in transaction costs, all else being equal. The second disadvantage to day trading that I think many traders would cite is the amount of resources that are required in relation to longer-term methods of trading. This is true from a time, concentration, and technology standpoint, as in general, day traders spend much more time in front of the computer screen, have to have more concentration on the market, and more technology such as high-powered charts and news feeds than longer-term traders do. So with this in mind, why is it that day trading is by far the most popular type of trading? Well, one reason is obviously the advantages that I've outlined above, which are very appealing to many professional traders. Unfortunately, however, my opinion is that the main reason why day trading is so popular is not for those reasons, but because of the get-rich type of mentality that people normally have when they think of day trading. Secondly, people who like to gamble see day trading oftentimes as a way to get the same emotional highs and fixes that they get from gambling, but just from the market instead. As we've discussed in our series on the psychology of trading, this is not really a healthy reason to trade and is probably one of the major reasons why the large majority of day traders fail. Okay? So that's our lesson for today. In tomorrow's lesson, we're going to look at the second most popular style of trading, swing trading. So we hope to see you in that lesson. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And good luck with your trading.